Hi, I'm Shweta and we are at the Cast Group booth and we have with us Mr. Kanisk. So Kanisk, what are you showcasing today?
So in CAST group, we have three entities. One is CAST Technologies, and the other one is CAST Fab Tools, and the next one is UHP Technologies. So three different entities cater to three different segments of semiconductor industry. Uh, in CAST Technologies, we manufacture utility equipments like gas delivery system, chemical delivery system, and we have our abatement. I'll walk you through all that. So this is a gas cabinet which supply gases to the main equipment tools, which will fabricate your wafers.
Oh,
So this gas cabinet in India, this is the only semi S2 certified. So this is the only cabinet you can buy with semi certification. Uh, this is an example for ammonia, and this is another type of liquefied gas. It's a trimethylalum, and we have a range of products like purifiers, point of use purifiers, and some palladium purifiers for to get high pure inert gases. So these inert gases will be used for supply of for mixing of gases. So you don't get 100% concentrated gases in your process. So this inert use some places to purge, some places to get a mixture of gases. And we'll go that side. I'll like to show one our chemical delivery unit.
Exhibition hall number 1. Session is just going on. Once you enter, proceed to your left
So
and then
this is one of the system for chemical.
senior
So that is for gas. This is for chemicals. So similar to gas, this supply chemicals to the OEM tools at certain pressure, at certain flow rate, whichever the customer is in need. So this is the work which has been done by CAS Technology Group. So as a part of CAS Fab Tools in CAS Group, they do contract manufacturing for OEM tools like the tools which fabricate these wafers. Those tools for OEMs like in big industries like Applied, LAM or Yield Engineering. So for these people, we can help them and we help them, few of them, to manufacture their legacy tools in our facility. So they can utilize our facility. We help them to produce in mass scale to increase their production volume of their tools. So that is being done by CAS Fab Tools. Then UHP is a turnkey solution provider. So the CAS and CAS Fab Tools more of a manufacturing kind, and UHP is like an integrator. So all the tools and utilities which have been manufactured, which needs to be installed in the facility, UHP does the complete turnkey solution from getting the capital equipment to support the main OEM equipment to the complete distribution of piping, tubing, your clean rooms, anything else, etc., etc. So leaving civil, UHP does everything of EPC in facility side. So I'll show you some of the miniature scale version we have made.
of the
To
turnkey
yeah.
solutions. Okay.
So this is a miniature model where you will have your gas distribution in the specialty fab, and then you will have your sub fab where the subheaders and the distribution branching will happen. Then all that comes through your raised floor, which kind of makes the airflow laminar, which won't disturb your wafer after each process. And this rice floor kind of works to isolate the vibration which people or anything around the facility that might cause on the tool, which will neglect the further damages occurs after the process. So this is how a typical rice floor setup will be look like. So this is the rice floor where your complete distribution, after the distribution in the sub fab, it comes out to the rice floor, then it goes and connect to the tool hookup. So this is an FFU setup where you will have your HVAC ducts throws the the complete loop of air, and then it's blown through this FFUs, filtered air at certain class which is required for that facility, and then it comes to your rice floor and then goes. It's a complete cycle, one complete cycle. So in UHP, we execute all of them in the facility. So, in one nutshell, if I want to conclude the CAS group, we start from manufacturing the utilities required to completely setting up a fab. we can take care of the complete line of setup.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kanishk, for your insights. Thank you.
Thank you.